Hello and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome 2. Understand the communication technologies used in mobile devices. In today's lesson, we'll explore how mobile devices communicate, from transmission methods to wireless networking. You'll discover how these technologies power modern connectivity and support businesses every day. Let's dive in. Mobile devices rely on various transmission technologies. Infrared and Bluetooth are popular for short-range communication. Wireless fidelity, or Wi-Fi, connects devices to the internet wirelessly. GSM and GPRS are standards for mobile communication networks. Each technology offers unique data transfer rates and effective ranges. Data communication is the process of transferring data between devices. It involves computing and communication technologies. Examples include emails and instant messages. Data communication is crucial for effective mobile communication. It enables the sharing of virtual messages across distances. Bluetooth enables wireless data sharing over short distances. It eliminates the need for wires between devices. Mobile devices use Bluetooth to share documents easily. Bluetooth connections are secure and efficient. This technology is widely used in mobile communication. Wi-Fi technology connects devices to the internet wirelessly. It transmits radio signals from a router to devices. This technology is essential for internet access on mobile devices. Wi-Fi is widely used in homes, offices, and public spaces. It offers fast and reliable connectivity. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. It uses frequency bands for mobile communication. GPRS enhances GSM networks with packet data services. These technologies enable mobile data sharing and connectivity. They are foundational to mobile communication networks. Data transfer rate measures digital data movement. It's crucial for assessing network performance. Higher bandwidth leads to faster data transfer. Transfer rates are measured in bits per second. Fast data transfer is essential for modern mobile communication. Third generation, or 3G, technology offers advanced features. It supports mobile television and GPS services. Video conferencing is possible with 3G networks. Fast data transfer rates are a key feature. 3G enhances mobile communication capabilities. Standards ensure compatibility in mobile communication. Protocols are rules for data exchange between devices. Wi-Fi standards like 802.11 facilitate wireless networking. Infrared standards support low-cost data transmission. SMS protocols enable text messaging across networks. Wireless access protocols define communication guidelines. They ensure devices can interact wirelessly. The 802.11 family is a standard for wireless networking. These protocols are essential for seamless connectivity. They support various mobile communication applications. SMS protocols manage text message communication. They facilitate short message exchange in mobile networks. SMS gateways support various protocols. These include HTTP, HTTPS, and SMTP. SMS remains a vital component of mobile communication. Mobile communication offers significant benefits to businesses. Wi-Fi hotspots enhance connectivity on the go. Wireless network adapters enable seamless internet access. Businesses rely on these technologies for efficient operations. Mobile communication drives business growth and innovation. Wireless encryption protects data in mobile networks. WEP, WPA, and AES are common encryption methods. WEP offers basic security, while WPA is more secure. AES provides advanced encryption for sensitive data. Encryption safeguards mobile communication from unauthorized access. AES stands for Advanced Encryption Standard. It's widely used in wireless networks for security. AES encryption ensures data confidentiality. It supports secure communication in mobile networks. AES is a preferred choice for protecting sensitive information. Mobile devices can serve as Wi-Fi hotspots. This feature uses cellular data to create a hotspot. Other devices can connect to this hotspot for internet access. It provides flexibility and connectivity on the go. Mobile hotspots are convenient for personal and business use. Wireless network adapters enable device connectivity. They convert signals into radio waves for transmission. Adapters are essential for connecting to wireless networks. They facilitate internet access on mobile devices. Adapters are vital for modern mobile communication. In conclusion, we have explored the importance of these technologies and the role they play in shaping a smarter, more connected future. Embracing them is essential to staying informed, competitive, and prepared for what lies ahead. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out on WhatsApp at 07484361688. We look forward to seeing you again at the next session. Thank you!